You should not, ignore NPS at that time, because then it gives you a big tax benefits and other benefits like that. So just wait for NPS. Don't rush into it quickly because it's going to be blocked for 60 years. If you're okay that you're very confident that you're not going to need that money till 60, you can go ahead and do today. And NPS also, and NPS is probably the one investment which you can do it like within like 5 minutes you can do it. Right? Just go to Google, put eNPS. Okay, just eNPS, put it there, you get the first link there, click on it, go through the forms. It can be done in about 5 minutes time. You don't need anybody's help for getting started with NPS. You can get it done very quickly.
But how old are you? 31. Okay, so if you have made sure that you have let's say 4 or 5 months of your first bucket ready, then you know that there are the second bucket, which is known expenses, also sufficiently filled in, and at that point of time NPS may become important for you, and at that point of time starting it is going to can happen very quickly. So for people who attend our workshops, you also give them personalized session, right? Personalized 15 to 20 minute kind of a advisory session. At any point of time you can always call and make use of it. I'm going to give you all a little something. Yeah, just give me one.
If there is anything balanced, anything left out, please give it back to me. Right? Everybody has a card? Yeah, that as well. Yeah, this is the link. Just try. Okay, it's not opening. Okay, so guys, the most important part of this card is this side. Yeah? The 5 secrets. Right? Just to make sure that you guys will never forget it. Right? Hopefully. Right? Just make sure that you remember this, put this up. Try the game. Apparently, Vamsi says that it's not opening.
Right. So just make sure that you send it to me before the end of the day, and we read it. Right? Thank you. Thank you.
Kaushik, for being a part of this session, and hope everybody has learned how to invest money in your future. Thank you for the session.
Thank you very much. Thank you.